Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to download and install CLion IDE for C or C++ programming language on Windows 11. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL jetbrains.com. Then click on the developer tools. Then select CLion IDE. CLion is free for non-commercial use. Scroll down and click on the download button. Now select the platform. I am going to download it for Windows operating system. So select Windows and then click on this download link. It may take a while for downloading. I already have downloaded it on my machine. So after a successful download, navigate to download folder and open this installer. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. Now click on the next to continue installation. Select the destination folder where you want to install CLion. This is the default installation folder. If you want to change the folder, click on the browse button and then select the folder where you want to install CLion. I am going to install it on this default location. Click on the next. If you want to create a desktop shortcut icon, check this works and also check all of this box. If you want to create C or C++ program, okay, then click on next. Then click on install button. It may take a while for installing CLion IDE for C or C++ programming language. That's it. CLion IDE installed successfully and also a desktop shortcut icon created successfully. If you want to run CLion IDE right now, check this box and then click on finish. Otherwise, uncheck, then click on finish to exit the setup wizard. In fast startup of CLion IDE, if you asked a question from Windows Security, do you want to allow public or private networks to access this application? Then click on allow to verify the publisher. I don't want to import, so skip import. Now I am going to change some settings. At first, I'm going to change the theme and also the font size of the ID, and then I'm going to change the font size of editor. Okay, now I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to create a simple C program. So I'm going to select C executable and then I'm going to name the project my first C and then select the language standard. Okay, then click on create. Okay, at first add the environment main GW and will set bundled main GW. Okay, CMake bundled and also the build tool C compiler and C++ compiler. Click on OK Now I am going to run this simple C program. Open the file that contains main function and then click on this button to run the project. That's it. The program compiled and run successfully on CLion. Or if you want to compile only, click on the build button. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.